start by using a thin pry tool or a razor knife to carefully remove the foot pedal cover on the foot pedal. Using a 1/4 inch socket with an extension or a flat blade screwdriver, remove the retention screws securing the foot pedal. Press the pedal down until it unlocks, then slowly release and rotate it clockwise until the pedal comes free. Remove the old spring. Place the new torsion spring inside the foot pedal recess so that the innermost foot aligns with the long side of the 90-degree spring stop. Apply a spray-on lubricant to the spring. Insert the new foot pedal, making sure the outermost foot of the torsion spring aligns in the torsion spring channel inside of the foot pedal. Rotate the foot counterclockwise until it locks into the normal position. Reinstall the foot pedal retention screw. When reinstalling the pedal cover, make sure to realign the cover with the notch that is in the cover housing. Actuate the foot pedal to make sure the flush ball opens and closes properly.